Do you wish somebody tells you all the landmines and all the challenges in business before you invest? Welcome to Streams. On this edition of Streams, I'll be sharing with you 3 things you need to observe before you invest, before you get into that sector of the economy, or before you part with your hand money. You know, everybody loves to have the answer to every question they can imagine in business. You know, the first rule that Warren Buffett will say to you: don't lose money. And the second rule is to remember the first rule: don't lose money. But we say all the time, there are risks involved in business. But does the risk mean you need to gamble with your money? You don't need to just throw away your money. These 3 steps I'm going to discuss will give you strategies to minimize the risk and to steward your money effectively. So do these 3 things before you invest or part with your money, irrespective of what the talking gurus are telling you. Number 1, do your own research or do an effective due diligence. No matter the numbers, no matter what you have been told, it is your money. So it is your responsibility to take time to carry out an effective due diligence. You might want to ask, how do I carry out an effective due diligence? It varies from sector to sector. Take real estate, for example. You could look at the trend, historical patterns of a particular property, a particular area, and you can extrapolate. It's not that history repeats, it's just that history rhymes. And depending on the sector you find yourself, that's why you see people doing technical analysis in the market, stocks or crypto or any other bond for that matter. So know what it costs or what is an effective due diligence for your own industry, and be sure to carry it out before you part with your money. Number 2, have or develop staying power. Staying power is different from endurance. Endurance is measured over a period of time. Staying power is your ability to complete on a set course or an assignment at whatever cost that is necessary for you to complete the assignment. Of course, you've carried out your due diligence, you've done the necessary research, you've spoken to people relevant in that industry. It's part of your due diligence. When you have done that, there is the staying power, because the business will cost more than you think. It will take longer than you think to achieve your set goals. What if your endurance is just 6 months? Staying power will get you from beginning to the end. Whatever it takes, whatever is necessary to complete on that business or on that venture, that's what staying power does for you. And you can read more about staying power in one of the books of John Maxwell, Talent is Not Enough. Number 3, invest in tailor-made sector or industry. What do I mean by tailor-made? You need to know what works for you. Everything does not work for everyone at the same time, depending on your time horizon, your risk appetite, and your innate abilities that you have discovered through relevant trainings and, mentorship. That's you discovering your dot, following your dot, and doing these 3 things. It will lead you to a tailor-made sector or industry that helps you to not only find the right investment, but gives you fulfillment. Because if you are not fulfilled and you are just chasing the numbers, you'll soon be wearied and be tired. So before you part with your whole hand money, do these 3 things. I hope this is useful for you. There's a link on this side. Be sure to subscribe. We want to reach 100,000 and you can help us on that journey. So subscribe. There are more material that will help you to steward your money, create wealth, and find fulfillment in your adventure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next edition of Stream. Bye for now.